in the vendor code, I have some special code that gets picked up that can read this automatically. So in here, I'm in vendor A, and I have the library and the code. I don't have any basically technologies yet. We're going to make a 9-layer technology. So from here, I'll go to vendor A, import Excel data. Now, I can have multiple vendors in here, and it would say vendor A, vendor B, vendor C. They can all have their different things, so they can all live together. But in vendor A, pick the Excel. This one's looking for the tech file, XLS, and the live file, XLS. So if I open this, I go and I grab the tech file as XLS, and if I browse to this, I want the library file, XLS, and I say apply. It runs a script that goes and opens the spreadsheets basically for those those different things, and it parses it out. And when this finishes, it's going to write the technology directly to disk, along with a few extra things that they wanted in their design kit, like design layer or user layers and things.
Thank you for watching. To learn more about this topic, check out the links in the description. And if you enjoyed what you saw, like the video and subscribe to the channel.